This is a test of the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System.
They failed. They failed.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations
well, they
in
failed
your
anyway.
area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there is an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
They failed.
Taking weather on WTOP.
They failed. Alright, let's see. See if cops will do it. They did it last time. What? So since WTOP failed, everybody else gets to fail too. That's awesome. So WTOP failed. They're the originators of the alert. Cox failed because WTOP failed. Let's see what goodies WUSA has in store. I'm sure it's going to be something good. Maybe they'll actually activate properly because somebody said Comcast went just fine. Should be after this promo.
Our researchers separate fact from fiction to get you the truth. No agenda, no spin, nothing to hide. That's Verify on WUSA 9.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Well, what do you know? They all failed. They all failed. See if they actually put the test message.
In the event of an actual emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Yeah, this failed test is now concluded. Every station failed because the originator of the test failed. That is wonderful.